This is a water purifier. When tap water is fed into this purifier, there will be acid in the water. This is an acid storage tank. The purchased acid is placed in this acid storage tank. This acid will be pumped through a pump and enter the reaction vessel. Water is also pumped into the reaction vessel through the pump. Next, let's go up to the second floor and have a look. This is the water storage tank on the second floor. This is the reaction vessel. The reaction vessel is heated by the heat transfer oil. Meanwhile, we also have steam heating as an auxiliary heating method, equipped with a feeding port and an observation port. In the middle is the stirring shaft, which is used for stirring and is connected to the acid gas. This is the filter press. The materials in the reaction vessel are pumped into the filter press by the filter pump and pressurized through the hydraulic station. This is a mixing tank. The materials from the reaction vessel and some of the materials from the filter press will be introduced into the mixing tank. This is a temporary storage tank. The filtered water enters the tank and is reused 2 or 3 times to reduce the loss of acid. The water after the reaction in the temporary storage tank is transferred to the high-level storage tank for a second filtration process. This is a filtering bucket. The filtered liquid enters the container. Add the reagent, carry out the reduction reaction, then wash with hot water and proceed with the filtration to obtain sponge silver. These are the copper motors. They are used to recover the copper inside. There will be a layer of copper coating on the surface, which will peel off to obtain the cathode copper. These 2 tanks are wastewater storage tanks. The wastewater is sent to the wastewater storage tank for treatment. Spongy silver typically has a purity of around 90–95. It needs to reach a purity of 99.99%. The first step is to dry the sponge silver in a drying oven and then place it in a furnace for smelting. Then place the anode plate in the silver electrolysis tank, with the electrolyte preparation tank located beside it. The silver electrolytic cell is equipped with an automatic powder dispensing device. The silver powder is conveyed to the electrolyte preparation tank via a conveyor belt. The silver electrolytic cell is equipped with an automatic powder dispensing device. The silver powder is conveyed to the electrolyte preparation tank via a conveyor belt. Samples of the electrolyzed silver powder were taken for testing. The test results of the silver powder showed that the purity had reached 99.99%. It can also be melted in a furnace to be cast into silver ingots. This is the exhaust gas treatment system, which can effectively purify various harmful exhaust gases, provide anti-corrosion and explosion-proof protection, achieve energy conservation and reuse, and stably meet environmental protection emission standards.